I'm Brent Zellinger. I'm an engineer with Technoplast, and I've been using the Xyz PartPro printer for prototypes. And one of the key technologies we have is it's called a vacuum aspirator. It's a difficult part to prototype because it has very fine features, small diameter holes for the venturi to work, and it's very difficult to make this part with many other technologies. What I like so much about the Xyz Cast Part Pro is the very good resolution I get. So I'm able to print these parts at an incredible resolution. It helps both with the precision that is required for my venturis, as well as for these seal faces to be nice and smooth, so I get a great seal. That makes sure that our prototype parts will behave just the same as our production parts. So one of the great things about the Xyz software for the Noble series is how easy it is to set up. Once you import your part, it's fairly easy to pick your supports. You can do auto support. This is a fairly tricky part, so I like to do it manually. But even then, it's fairly simple. You just pick the locations where you need the support to be and press generate. In no time you have the support and you're ready to export to the printer. So after printing the parts, this is a vacuum actuator. We send it for testing. So next we'll assemble it with some valves. We can use some additional resin that we paint on and recure it to assemble these together for an airtight seal. And then we put it on our test bench where we apply an airflow and measure how much of an improvement in vacuum performance we get. This is critical because it means we can get better braking performance in vehicles through stronger vacuum that we can hold through the venturis in here. That's why it's critical that we have great surface finish and precise dimensions.